Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make yummy and mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy and delicious mashed potato. For new subscribers, I say thank you. For old subscribers, you are the great VIP. With no further ado, let's jump right into this video. The first thing I did was to bring in water to really boil. Now I'll be adding some milk. I'm not going to be using everything for now. I'll use the remaining one later. Then I went ahead to add salt and Maggi off camera. I forgot to film that part. Now this is our potato flakes or potato powder. Now I'll be adding it into the boiled water and milk, and then I will stir this up. After stirring it up for a while and I noticed that it was thick, I went ahead to add the remaining milk, and then I also added some water into this. I will continue to stir this up. And if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It does not cost anything from you to subscribe, okay? Now I will add just a little water into this, and then I will cover this up to cook for 1 to 2 minutes, and then I will reopen it and continue to stir this up. Guys, this mashed potato is so easy to make. If you're a lover of mashed potato, I will advise that you go ahead and make this type. Now I'll be adding butter, which is the secret of mashed potato. Yes, when you add butter into your mashed potato, it give it another flavor, and then it also give it another sweetness. I will continue to say until everything melts into the mashed potato. Another secret I will be sharing with you is cheese, grated cheese. Oh my god, if you try this out, you will continue to eat mashed potato all the days of your life. And I will continue to stir this up until the grated cheese melt into the mashed potato. Guys, look at that. This is the consistency I'm looking for. If you want yours to be a bit lighter, you can add either water or milk, okay? And then stir it up for some minutes. Our mashed potato is ready to be devoured. I'll go ahead to dish some into the bowl, and then I will be pairing this up with some hamburger. You can use chicken, you can use fish, you can use whatever you wish to eat this mashed potato. You can also add some stew, broccoli, whatever it is you want to add to it. You are free to eat your mashed potato with. So guys, I hope you'll be trying this out. I guess my work is done here. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please keep eating good food. See you in my next video. Bye.